Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of reverse psychology. Ever wondered how telling someone not to do something makes them want to do it even more? Stick around as we uncover the secrets behind this intriguing psychological phenomenon, explore how it works, and reveal ways you can use it in your everyday life. Plus, I'll show you dialogues between two people using reverse psychology manipulation in action. Let's get started.
Hey Henry, been thinking about this project we're working on. Really don't think you're up to the challenge. Maybe you should sit this one out.
What do you mean, Johan? I've put a lot of effort into this.
Sure, but effort doesn't always equal capability. I mean, it's a complex task. It's fine if you're not cut out for it.
I can handle it. I know I can.
Can you, though? I remember last time you tried something similar. It didn't go well. Remember how everyone talked about it?
That was different. I've learned from my mistakes.
Have you? Because from where I stand, it looks like you're just setting yourself up for another failure. Maybe you should let someone more competent take over.
I'm not a failure, Johan. I can prove it.
Prove it to whom, Henry? Yourself? Or are you just trying to convince everyone else you're not the screw-up they think you are?
Screw up? Is that what you think of me?
I'm just being honest. Sometimes the truth hurts. It's better to hear it from a friend now than from the entire team when you inevitably mess up.
I won't mess up. I've got this.
If you say so. Don't come crying to me when it all falls apart. You were warned.
It won't fall apart. I'll make sure of it.
Whatever helps you sleep at night, Henry. Just remember, when everything goes wrong, it'll be on you. No one else.
It won't go wrong. I'll show you, Johan. You'll see.
We'll see, Henry. We'll see. Just remember who tried to save you from another disaster.
In the dialogue, Johan uses reverse psychology to manipulate Henry by preying on his insecurities and doubts. Johan's remarks are calculated to provoke Henry into proving himself, despite initially implying that Henry isn't capable. By casting doubt on Henry's abilities and subtly reminding him of past failures, Johan triggers Henry's desire to disprove him and succeed at any cost. This manipulation works because it taps into Henry's fear of being perceived as a failure and his need to validate his competence to himself and others. Instead of directly challenging Henry, Johan feigns concern and presents his manipulation as honesty, making Henry more determined to take on the challenge to avoid the predicted failure. Warning: using manipulation, especially dark reverse psychology, can be deeply damaging. It exploits the target's insecurities and can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and self-doubt. Moreover, it can destroy trust and relationships once the manipulation is uncovered. While it might achieve short-term goals, the long-term consequences often include resentment and a toxic atmosphere. Manipulation should never replace honest, respectful communication and support.